Understanding, Step Over the Line, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, step over the line. This idiom can be tricky, but it's widely used in both formal and informal contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started. When someone steps over the line, they are doing something that is considered unacceptable or inappropriate by societal standards or personal boundaries. This line is metaphorical, representing the boundary between what is okay and what is not. It's important to note that what constitutes stepping over the line can vary greatly depending on the culture, situation, and the people involved. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, making a personal comment about a coworker's appearance could be seen as stepping over the line, as it invades personal space and might be deemed unprofessional. In personal relationships, reading someone's diary without permission is a clear example of stepping over the line, as it violates their privacy. In public discourse, using offensive language or insults during a debate can be considered stepping over the line, as it disrespects the norms of respectful communication. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied in various contexts to indicate a breach of conduct or etiquette. Now that we understand what it means to step over the line, let's see how to incorporate this phrase into our daily language. He really stepped over the line when he started criticizing her family. I think the manager stepped over the line by asking about her personal life. They stepped over the line with their jokes last night. Some of them were quite offensive. These sentences showcase the versatility of the phrase in expressing that someone has gone too far in their actions or words. Understanding phrases like, step over the line, can greatly enrich your English communication skills, allowing you to express complex ideas about boundaries and respect. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is not just memorizing their meanings but also practicing them in context. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your language learning journey. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.